Before starting the concept of hazards, let us learn timing diagrams. Okay, timing diagrams. So what is timing diagram? Suppose I am giving one gate. Okay, you have to represent graphically. Okay, outputs of and inputs in graphical representation. So here I am taking one single AND gate. Okay, this is F, that is A into B. A, B. Okay, I want to represent this working of AND gate in graphical form. Okay, in graphical representation. Before that, I am writing truth table of AND gate. Yes. What is AND gate truth table? 0 0 means 0. 0 1 means 0. 1 0 means 0. 1 1 means 1. Right? This is the truth table. How many combinations we have? 4 combinations. Right? Each combination one slot. Okay. So I am dividing the x-axis like this. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So x-axis slot I am dividing into 4 parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. So I am dividing into 4 parts. Okay. So I am taking each as one unit, right? This is one unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit. Means 4 parts. So first, second, third, fourth. Okay. Now I want to represent A. So A values are what? In first slot, A value is 0. So I am starting A from here. This is A. So initially starting A value is 0. Okay. Next, next slot A also A value is 0. Next, 1 1. For third slot A value is 1. Okay. Next, B value is also, sorry, again in fourth slot also 0 1 2 3. So this is the 0th second. At last slot also it is 1. Right? I am taking 4 slot. Next B. Now I am taking, this is the 0th position for B. So for B 0 1 0 1. So 0 1 again 0 0 1. Right? Next for output 3 zeros 1 1. Okay, this is F. Okay, I am taking scale as time, in time. Okay, x-axis in time. So this is 10 second, 10 nanosecond. So 20 nanosecond, 30 nanosecond, 40 nanoseconds. Okay, this is 0 1 0 1. This is 0, this is 1 0 1. So 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. For suppose in practice the circuit have some delay, right? Mostly, because ideally immediately it can't respond. There will be some delay. Okay. For suppose for this circuit there is a 1 nanosecond delay. Okay, 1 nanosecond delay. Okay, so output will comes at which second? From 31st nanosecond only, the output will be 1. Means, suppose this is 10, this is initial. So from 1 onwards, from 1 nanosecond onwards, the output will be produced. F with delay. Output F with delay. So after 1 nanosecond onwards, the output will be starts. Means from here onwards, output will be start. Right? So observe here from 30 to 31 second. Observe from here to here, and means only this part. Only this part. If you observe only this part, A is 1, B is 1, right? But F is what? 0. For how much second? 1 nanosecond. For 1 nanosecond, output is 0. But what we have to get? Output is 1. So we get a glitch here. So at this 1 second of time, the output is 0. So we have to get 1, right? So this one is called as glitch. Okay, glitch or hazard. Okay, glitch or hazard. Okay, that is not an error. We're getting 1, but within small seconds we're getting like this glitch. Not a big time, not like this. Okay, we're getting very small time. Okay, very small time. Instead of 1, we're getting 0. Okay, very less time. Sometimes instead of 0, we're getting 1. This is very small time. So that we called it as a glitch or hazard. Okay, if long time we get, that is called error. Okay, within less time, this is very less time. So this less time is called glitch or hazard. Okay, these hazards are classified into two types: static hazard, dynamic hazard. Okay, static hazard, dynamic hazard. Okay, in static hazard, out, okay, starting and ending is same value. Same value. Okay, waveform starting and ending is same value. For suppose, so we have two types here: static zero hazard. Static zero hazard means we have to get output as 0. Okay, we have to get output at 0 only. So the waveform starts with 0 only at correct time, but at middle of the time we get small glitch like this. At the middle of the time we get small glitch. Okay, this is called static 0. Initially 0, ending is 0, but at the middle we get 1. So this is the static 0. So starting and ending of the clock pulse will be same. It is static 0. Next, static 1 means starting and final is 1. At middle we get 0. Okay, this is static 1. Dynamic is starting and final value is different. So instead of 0, we get 1. Instead of 1, we get 0. So this is dynamic hazard 0. This is dynamic hazard 1. Okay. This is dynamic hazard 0. This is dynamic hazard 1. This is static 1, static. Okay. Mostly static 0 and static 1 hazards occurs in SOP and POS notations. Okay. POS notation. If dynamic hazards are occur due to delays. Okay. Dynamic hazards are occur due to delay. Static hazards are occur due to SOP POS notations. Okay. To avoid these hazards, to overcome these hazards, first static hazards, to avoid static hazards, we add redundant term, redundant term to the circuit for static hazard. For dynamic hazards, at inputs also we use delay circuits. Okay, we use delay means at input also we produce delay so that the error will be reduced. Okay, these are the static and dynamic hazard. How we overcome, how we get error free, hazard free relation for SOP and POP, we add redundant term to the circuit. Okay, for dynamic hazard, we use delays at inputs also. Okay, so hazards also completed. So totally second unit is completed.